We keep moving. From our hometowns to the world's biggest stage. When there's nothing left in the tank, but there's miles to go. We keep moving through every broken bone, every rehab session, and every time they counted us out. We keep moving because kids like them need to see people like us doing things like this. We keep moving from the setbacks to the comebacks, all the way to the record books.
What?
We keep moving.